15 coolest Doomsday survival gear and gadgets for 2025. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness, setting up a remote camp, or preparing for the unexpected, the right gear can make all the difference. Here's a detailed look at some of the most advanced, versatile, and cleverly designed survival tools and outdoor gadgets on the market today. Ideal for campers, adventurers, and survivalists alike. 1. Titanium Multi-Purpose Retrieval Tool, $55. This gadget is a must-have for any serious adventurer or survivalist. Engineered from aerospace-grade titanium and offers remarkable strength without the added weight of traditional metals. It's designed to serve multiple purposes, from hooking and retrieving lost gear from hard-to-reach places to serving as a makeshift grappling hook in emergency climbing situations. But its brilliance doesn't stop there. The detachable design lets you reconfigure into a waterproof capsule that securely stores survival essentials like matches, medications, tinder, or emergency cash. It's small enough to stow in a bag, yet rugged enough to trust in extreme scenarios. 2. Compact Perimeter Alarm and Emergency Flare Launcher, $135. This compact yet powerful tool packs serious functionality into a shirt pocket-sized device. It's ideal for those who venture into areas with wildlife, unknown terrain, or a potential need for signaling. As a trip alarm, it can be set up around your camp perimeter. Once triggered, it emits a loud, attention-grabbing noise to scare off intruders or animals. Additionally, the device can launch emergency flares or signal blanks to help rescuers locate you if you're in distress. Its small size and multiple uses make it a smart inclusion in any survival or bug-out bag, especially for those who value discreet, lightweight protection. 3. Fast Pitch Camping Tent with Built-in Porch, starting at $475. Tired of fumbling with tent poles in the dark or rain? This tent simplifies everything. With a quick setup mechanism, it pops up with minimal effort, making it ideal for solo adventurers or anyone needing rapid shelter. Made from breathable and waterproof fabric, it keeps you dry during downpours and reduces condensation on the inside. The built-in porch is perfect for stashing gear, muddy boots, or baked boxes, and it adds a layer of comfort and convenience not often found in portable shelters. The robust construction means it's a solid investment for long-term use across varied terrains. 4. Ultra-Compact Water Filtration Straw, $38. Access to safe drinking water is critical, and this filtration straw brings you that peace of mind without the bulk. Its ultrafiltration technology removes bacteria, protozoa, and cysts from streams, lakes, or rainwater, without chemicals or batteries. It's compact enough to fit in a pocket, so you can carry several as backups or stow them in multiple bags. It's ideal not just for hiking, but also for emergency kits, travel, or disaster preparedness. With a filtering capacity of 2,000 liters, it lasts long enough for extended trips or multiple users. 5. Heated Modular Sleeping Bag, $100. The modular heating system in this sleeping bag makes cold camping nights a thing of the past. It features strategically placed heating pads that are powered via an external power bank. You can add or remove pads depending on the temperature or your comfort preference. Unlike traditional insulation, which traps your body heat, this system actively warms you, making it ideal for sub-zero environments or people with poor circulation. It rolls up neatly for transport and remains lightweight despite its high-performance heating capabilities, making it practical for year-round camping. 6. Eco-friendly Fire Starter Stick, $15. This isn't your average fire starter. Made from a specially formulated, non-toxic, and biodegradable material, this fire stick is designed to ignite with minimal spark effort and burn reliably, even in wet or windy weather. Perfect for cooking, staying warm, or signaling for help, it's compact enough to fit in a pocket or cook kit. Unlike messy fire paste or bulky kits, it's clean, lightweight, and safe for storage alongside food or tools. It's the ultimate backup for when lighters or matches fail. 7. Tree-hung carbon frame tent, $890. This hanging tent system redefines outdoor sleeping arrangements. Suspended between trees using high-strength straps in a carbon fiber frame, it keeps you above cold, wet, or insect-ridden ground. The integrated inflatable mattress ensures a comfy sleep, while the mesh enclosure provides airflow and insect protection. A detachable rainfly shields you from downpours, while interior compartments help organize gear. Though pricier than ground tents, the elevated experience is perfect for forested, uneven, or swampy terrain, and the sleep quality is unmatched. 8. Magazine-fed repeating crossbow, $300. Designed for both defense and hunting, this compact crossbow offers semi-automatic reloading with a 6-arrow magazine, meaning you can fire multiple rounds without needing to reload manually after each shot. It's lightweight, made from durable polymer, and customizable with accessories like scopes or grips. Ideal for small game hunting or protection in the wilderness, this survival crossbow combines classic mechanics with modern convenience. a great addition to any bug-out bag or survival toolkit. 9. Pre-rigged lightweight tarp shelter, $75. The T60 tarp shelter is perfect for minimalists and ultralight travelers. Weighing less than 8 ounces, it offers instant coverage from sun, rain, or wind. The included pre-tied lines and tensioners make setup fast, no knots required. Use it as a hammock cover, a ground sheet, or even as a standalone shelter. Its versatility, compact storage size, and rapid deployment capabilities make it a smart investment for hikers, campers, or anyone preparing for emergencies. 10. Zippo 4-in-1 Woodsman tool, $80. Zippo's legendary quality now powers this multi-purpose woodsman tool, combining an axe, bow saw, mallet, and stake puller into a single robust device. The axe head features dual sides for chopping and splitting, while the saw blade folds safely into the handle when not in use. The integrated mallet is ideal for driving tense stakes, and the stake puller makes teardown easier. Built with rugged steel and an ergonomic grip, it's an excellent all-in-one solution for campsite management or bushcraft. 11. All-weather survival matches, under $12. These specially designed matches are windproof, waterproof, and stay lit even when submerged. Each pack includes about 25 long-burning matches housed in a waterproof container, making them ideal for survival kits, EDC pouches, or glove compartments. Perfect for lighting fires in challenging conditions. Whether it's raining, snowing, or blowing hard, these matches are a reliable backup when lighters or fire sticks are an option. 12. Titanium Survival Wallet, customizable price. More than just a wallet, this EDC survival tool is a sleek, minimalist carry-all with a hidden toolset inside. Built from titanium, it's durable, rust-proof, and resistant to extreme conditions. Inside, you'll find compact survival tools, a knife, saw, fire starter, and more. Modular and customizable, you can add or remove features depending on your needs. Perfect for urban explorers, preppers, or anyone who wants to carry survival essentials without looking like it. 13. Roadless Compact Fishing Reel, $149. Built for performance and portability, the Roadless reel is a sleek, enclosed fishing reel ideal for backcountry anglers. The sealed design protects the inner mechanisms from dirt, sand, and water. Ideal for beach, river, or alpine fishing. With 35 ball bearings, it offers smooth reeling, and it's designed for both left and right-handed use. Its lightweight aluminum body ensures that you can fish on the go without weighing down your gear. 14. 4th-gen lighter plus multi-tool combo, $55. This compact survival device integrates 3 essentials in one: a classic flint lighter, a USB rechargeable flashlight, and a multi-tool featuring over 10 functions. The flashlight delivers up to 7 hours of runtime on its lowest setting, 20 lumens, ideal for navigating at night or reading maps. The multi-tool includes essentials like screwdrivers, a mini knife, and bottle openers. The lighter uses a traditional flint wheel, keeping the device reliable without electronics, perfect for preppers and traditionalists alike. 15. SlideBelts Survival Belt, under $130. This smart and rugged survival belt transforms a common accessory into a life-saving tool. The buckle discreetly houses a knife, fire starter, and emergency whistle, giving you access to critical tools wherever you go. Made from durable nylon webbing, the belt is resistant to tears, water, and UV exposure. The ratchet-style design ensures a snug, comfortable fit and allows for one-handed adjustments. Whether you're in the city or the wild, this belt blends style with functionality like few others. Survival, comfort, and readiness don't have to come at the cost of portability or style. These 15 gadgets prove that with thoughtful design and smart materials, you can be prepared for almost anything, whether it's a weekend hike or an unplanned emergency. Each item brings practical utility and innovation to the table, giving outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists a reliable edge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.